Hello, hello. So let's continue our discussion. So just share the screen and then okay, fine. So we are divided this problem in two parts. Okay, in previous class, one without this connection between the bus number 2 and 3, that means without the transmission line and regulating transformer connected between the bus number 2 and 3, and drive their Y bus admittance matrix. And in the next part, if we connect the transmission line between bus number 2 and 3 and with regulating transformer also between the bus number 2 and 3, and then just we try to find out the new Y bus admittance matrix of this actual system. Okay, so I have already drive all the Y bus element of these three Y bus admittance, that means 3 into 3 matrix order, 3 into 3 matrix order, 3 into 3 matrix order, and then after the connection between the bus number 2 and 3, bus number 2 and 3 with the help of regulating transformer. Okay, so just add the new element, that means connection between the bus number 2 and bus number 3 with the regulating transformer. Okay, so now we have already tried their Y bus matrix without this regulating transformer and connection between the transmission line 2 and 3. Okay, so now the next new element, that means we have new element of Y22, Y33 and Y23. Okay, so just for the transformer in line between 2 and 3, for the transformer 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 in line 2 and 3, in line 2 and 3, then y बस 2 इक्वल टू y बस चेंज जो करेगा किस कौन कौन सा एलिमेंट करेगा y बस 2 y बस 3 and y बस 2 3 and 3 2. So just find out the new element of the y22, y33 and y23. Okay, so y22 new equal to, so y bus matrix, that means y bus bus 22 equal to y bus 22 old equal to y bus 2 2 old plus कितना हो जाएगा y series element, that means y series minus z 2.04 minus z 2.04 plus y shunt 1 plus y shunt 1, that means minus j 0.0408. Okay, so just add here. So this one is your j. Okay, so plus हो जाएगा minus j 2.04 plus minus j 0.0408 0.0408. So just add this element, okay, with the imaginary part. So y22 is your 2 minus j6. Y22 old is your how much? 2 minus j6 minus j 2.04 minus j 0.408 0.0408 इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा 2 minus j 2 minus j 8.08 per unit. Okay, so this is your y bus 22 new. Similarly, y bus 33 new equal to y bus 33 old plus minus j 2.04 plus minus j 0.04. Okay, so this is your j. Okay, so just write down the value of y bus 33. Y bus 33 equal to y bus 33 old y bus bus 3-3-old plus summation of y series, that means minus j 2.04 plus sun 2. Okay. So this summation of minus j 2.04 plus minus of j 0.04 equal to, just put the value of y bus 33-old. Y bus 33-old is 2 minus j6. So put the value here and just solve it. So equal to 2 minus j6, 2 minus j6 minus j 2.04 minus j 0.04. What is the value? Equal to real part and imaginary part. That means real part is 2 and imaginary part is minus j 8.08. कितना आ जाएगा 8.04 okay. 8.08 ना 8.08 8.08 8.08. Okay. Similarly, you can find out the value of y bus 23. So y bus 23 is y bus 23 is your minus y bus 32 equal to minus of minus j 2.04. Okay, so just find out the value of y bus 23. Y bus 23 y bus 23 equal to y bus 32 y bus 32 y bus 32 equal to minus j 2.04 2.04 2.04 equal to J 2.04. So okay. So you have already find out here y was 22 new, y was 33 new, and y was 3 new. That is equal to also y was 32. So put their value in the previous y was admittance matrix. So this is your exact for the equation y was matrix for the this particular problem. Okay. So just put their value. That means y was admittance matrix. Y was admittance matrix. Y bus admittance matrix is equal to, so Y bus admittance matrix is Y bus admittance matrix equal to Y11 की जगह क्या हो जाएगा, सेम रहेगा प्रीवियस वन, ओनली चेंज इज योर Y bus 22, Y bus 33, and Y bus 23, and Y bus 32. Okay, so this particular element change, and so first term is your 4 minus J12. Similarly, second term is your minus 2 plus J6. Minus 2 plus J6, Y13 is your minus 2 plus J6. J6. Similarly, Y21 is Y21 is your minus 2 plus J6 plus J6. The second term is your how much? 4 minus J12. So just write down the value of Y22. So here in the previous one, Y22 was 4 minus J12. But in new case, Y was 22 new is your 2 minus J8.0808. Okay, so this one is your new bus Y was 22. So 2 minus J8.0808 okay. And Y23. So Y23 is your this one. We have already find out here. Y was 23 new is your J 2.04. Okay. So just write down here J 2.04. 2.04. Okay. Similarly, Y31. That means Y31 is your same as previous one. That means minus 2 plus J6. Okay. And Y23 is your Y23 is your J 2.04. Okay. So J 2 point, क्या होगा, जस्ट इसको लिखो 2.04. Similarly, y33 nu equal to, you have already find out here, y plus 33 nu equal to y plus 33 old. So this value is equal to 2.J8.08. Okay, 2.J8.08. So just this is your y33. So y33 is your 2 minus J 8.08. Okay, 8.08. So just this is your new Y bus admittance matrix. Similarly here, if you write down this equation in the form of current matrix and Y bus matrix into voltage. So if you want to express this Y bus admittance matrix in current form, so just here we follow this one. I11 equal to, we can write here, I1 I1 3/3 order होगा, that means I1 I2 I3. So I1 I2 I2 and first one is your I3 I3. So I3 means I3 is equal to Y bus admittance matrix, that means 4 minus J12, that means 4 minus J12 J12 4 minus J12 minus 2 plus J6 minus 2 plus J6 plus J6. Y33 is your minus 2 plus J6 minus 2 plus J6 J6 minus 2 plus J6 minus 2 plus J6 minus 2 plus J6 and Y22 is your 2 minus J8 2 minus J8.0808 and Y23 is your J2.04. J2.04. And Y31 equal Y31 equal to minus 2 plus J6 plus J6 and Y3 2 is equal to J 2.04. Okay. J 2.04. Okay, 2.04. And Y33 is your 2 minus 8.08. 8.08. Okay, 2.2 minus J 8.08. Okay, into V1 V1 V2 V3. Your bus number voltage at bus number 1, 2 and 3. So V2 V2 V3 V3. Okay. So this is your Y bus admittance matrix. This one is the coefficient of Y bus admittance matrix. Y11, Y12, Y13, Y121, Y22, Y23, Y31, Y32, Y33. Okay. So this is your admittance matrix parameter. So just the similar problem, maybe various type. Formation of Y bus matrix is very similar. Just you have to concentrate some concern about the how we can just follow it. Okay. So without the regulating transformer or with regulating transformer, you have to just transform with the nominal voltage ratio, whatever given to you. That means particular numerical value. First of all, you just try to eliminate that transmission line and regulating transformer and find the Y bus admittance matrix. And in this Y bus admittance matrix, in the next step, just you put their regulating transformer and transmission line between the two buses, that bus number 2 and bus number 3. Okay. And then just find out the separate Y bus matrix and just summation of that one, you will get the resultant of the Y bus matrix. Okay. So this is a various type of numerical you may find out for solving for the Y bus matrix. Okay. So it is not too much difficult if you are able to practice this problem with more frequently. Okay. So just maybe find out. So you can solve this problem with the help of any numerical problem or from any standard textbook. So maybe practice this numerical. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problems and you are going to solve directly in the examination hall. Okay. Okay. So you maybe solve some numerical problem, maybe various type of problem. You maybe solve lot of problem given in a book. So you may follow that one. Doesn't matter. Okay. So just that things you may practice some more problem, and then you are more frequent in the examination hall. So just we try to concentrate how we can just find out their Y bus admittance matrix. Suppose that just try to share the screen of this one. Okay, so just so first of all, you try to carefully read the problem. What are the parameters given to you? Okay, according to that, you just try to follow step by step and try to solve it. Okay, so here this is the function of the regulating transformer. You just transform their voltage along this side. Okay, so V2 by V2 dash is represented by this side voltage and V2 is along this side voltage. So this ratio is given to you of nominal ratio is 1 by 1.02. Okay, so V2 dash divided by V2 equal to 1.02 is to 1. Okay, so V2 dash equal to हम लोग कितना लिख सकते हैं 1.02 V2 1.02 V2, and then you just similarly put in the standard form of this regulating transformer. Here given to you parameters of the transmission line between the connection of the buses, and here also mention that means of nominal type ratio in tabular form, that means 1 is to 1.02. Okay, so 1 is to 1.02, so A is 1.02. That means A is a small represented by of nominal ratio is represented by a small a. Okay, so that is 1.02, and then just to try to solve this problem. We have already practiced some problems, so it doesn't matter if you directly write their Y bus admittance matrix from the given system. Okay, if you know that the system are given in your 4 bus, so you just try to write directly 4 into 4 matrix of the Y bus, and according to their connection you just write Y11, Y12, Y13, Y14, similarly Y12, Y22, Y13, Y14, and Y31, Y32, Y33, Y34, and last is your Y41, Y42, Y43, Y44. So you can write directly according to the visualization of your given system parameters. Given system parameters. Okay. Given system parameters. So it is not too much difficult if you are practice lot of problem in this way. Okay, so just we stop here. The next class we will discuss another things. Okay, so just you concentrate how we can and practice how we can solve any problem. Okay, how we can solve any problem. Okay, so it is not too much difficult. If you practice few problems, then you maybe easily write this equation. Nu equal to old plus some whatever the element added, that will be add in this Y bus particular element. Okay, so it is not too much difficult to practice. Fine. So just we stop here, and in the next class we will discuss another things. Fine.